Welcome to the EdbMails OST to Office 365 Migration, a step-by-step guide. EdbMails OST to Office 365 Migrator enables easy recovery and migration of data from offline OST files directly to Office 365. It effectively recovers corrupt, damaged, or inaccessible OST files while preserving all mailbox data. With its intuitive interface, EdbMails simplifies the migration process, ensuring a seamless transfer to Office 365 with minimal effort. EdbMails lets you preview all mailbox items before the migration, giving you a comprehensive view of your data. The software ensures data integrity throughout the migration process and employs secure authentication methods such as SSL/TLS encryption, OAuth 2.0, and multi-factor authentication. Certified with ISO and compliant with GDPR and HIPAA, EdbMails guarantees the security of your information during the entire migration. Let's explore the step-by-step procedure for migrating OST files to Office 365 with EdbMails.
Download EdbMails from the official website.
Click Download EdbMails. Click EdbMails Setup File.
Complete the installation process on your system.
Log into EdbMails application with the email address and password or click Start your free trial. Select the OST to PST, OST to Office 365, OST to Exchange option.
Click Let's Go.
Click Browse for OST. Select the OST file. Click Open.
Click Continue.
Wait until recovery operation completion. Expand the mailbox. Click any folder to preview all the item. Select the folder that you wish to export. Select Migrate to Office 365. Connect to Office 365 target server.
Select the required migration operation. Click Continue.
Authenticate on Microsoft Sign-In page with Global Admin account.
Click Sign In.
Accept the required permissions.
Select the required option to load the mailboxes. Click Continue.
Select the required mapping option.
Click Continue.
EdbMails automatically maps mailboxes between the source and target servers. You can apply filters for folders and items. For example, migrate only items within a specific date range. Additionally, filter by sender and recipient's address, attachment names, and read-unread status. You can exclude standard or custom folders.
Click Save. Click Continue.
Give a name for migration job. Click Continue to initiate the migration process.
Migration operation under progress.
Upon migration completion, you will get the migration completion message. Click the View Log button to get migration reports. That's it. For a hassle-free OST to Office 365 migration, visit edbmails.com today.